Unleash the power of AI in storytelling and animation creation. Join us as we dive into a seamless platform that combines image production, sound design, and video creation. Welcome to DigiHacks with Polly, where we learn more to earn more. Let's embark on this captivating journey together. So, we will go through 2 steps in generating an animated story. The first step is to write your script using ChatGPT. When your story is generated, go to the second step, which is open artflow AI and sign up using your email. You sign up here, but since I have an account, I just log in. Here at artflow, first you generate images to incorporate with your generated script. So you click Image Studio. Select the content type where you choose General. For image ratio, you choose 3:2. And then here in the description, you start to copy and paste your script from ChatGPT, starting with your introduction going downwards. So let's copy our introduction part, then paste it in the description section. Then here you select the style of the image you want. You have several styles to select from. Let's select 3D cartoon, and then you click Flow. This means to generate. And here are your images. If you want, for example, to generate variants of any image, you click Action and select Make Variant. Repeat this process until you get all images for the entire script. When you are done creating all your images, you click the video gallery. Here's your dashboard for video editing, and click New Video Project. Here are all the generated images. In the trial version, you can create up to 20 scenes. So, in your Creation tab, you choose the best image for every part of your script. E.g., let's choose this one for the introduction. Then just click the image and it will be inserted automatically. Then copy the first part of your script and paste it here. In the Dialogue tab, you can change the voiceover of your preferred character. They have quite a number of voices to choose from. You can add an effect to the image so it won't be so still. Add zoom out, right to left, etc. Let's select the zoom in. Then we add our next scene by clicking this plus sign here. So you repeat the same steps until you get all the scenes for the entire script. After you have done inserting all your images and text, you click Export. Write the title of your video and click Export Video, then click on the video. And here you have the option to download it. You can download it with subtitles or without subtitles, and that is all you have to do. And here is our video sample.
Once upon a time, in a charming little village, nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, lived a bright-eyed and curious 6-year-old boy named Tommy. Tommy had a special bond with his mischievous puppy Lex. They were inseparable, exploring the wonders of the village together. But one fateful day, tragedy struck. Tommy woke up to find Lex missing. His heart sank as he realized his beloved puppy had wandered off into the unknown. Determined to bring Lex back home, Tommy set out on an adventure to find his furry friend. Armed with unwavering hope and the support of his caring neighbors, he embarked on a search that would take him to unexpected places. Tommy and his neighbors scoured every corner of the village, following clues and investigating every lead. They interviewed villagers, left no stone unturned, and combed through fields and forests. As Tommy and his companions continued their search, a glimmer of hope emerged. Suddenly, Tommy's voice broke through the suspense, filled with excitement and anticipation.
So, if you have loved the video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to support our work. Thank you for being here. Bye.